Hello and welcome back to another video on how to grow. Today we're going to be learning how to find out if someone else added you as a close friend on Instagram. But before getting started, remember to support our channel, hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells to get notified every time we post a new video. Without further ado, let's get started. First, open your Instagram app. Now, if someone has added you to their close friends, there's only two ways to find out if they've added you as a close friend on Instagram. The first way to know if they've added you as a close friend on Instagram is if you see a green ring around their profile picture when they upload a story. So if you see anyone on your friends list with a green ring around their story, that means that they've added you to their close friends list. As you can see, there's a green ring appear on this story, which means that I'm added as a close friend on their Instagram. Another way to find out if I'm added to their close friends or not is to simply go through stories, and when you go through stories, you'll see the star icon appear on top of their story. So simply, if you tap on it, as you can see, it is a close friends only story that you're currently having access to, which means that you're added to their close friends list on Instagram. Now, there's no direct way you can see if someone has added you to their close friends list on Instagram or not. These are the only ways you can find out if they've added you on their list. I hope this video was useful. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments down below, and thanks for watching.